Awesome. So super nice to meet you. And I'd love for if you were able to kind of talk really briefly about what NAACP does. And yeah.
Okay, real briefly, NAACP, we are the oldest, boldest, roughest, toughest civil rights organization in the United States of America. And we have a chapter here. And what we do is we fight discrimination and segregation. We've been doing it for 112 years, and we're pretty good at it. And basically, that's what we do. We have 25 different committees that we deal with, should we say, discrimination and segregation and all kind of issues when it comes to people not being able to get their rights and get their rights and and being treated unequally in relationship to the law. So I'm excited to be here, and that's what the NAACP does in a snapshot.
Awesome. Yeah, that was perfect. Thank you so much. Okay. Do you, by any chance, have any words to say about the project and what you're looking for our developers?
Oh yes, most definitely. We're doing our youth empowerment program. And a part of our youth empowerment program, what we're going to be doing is a project called Heaven's Gardens. And basically, it's going to be a countywide, should we say, project. We're going to have 4 areas. We're going to have North Coastal, North County, San Luis Obispo, and South County. And our goal and objective is to work with all the high schools in those areas, because our youth empowerment program, what we're going to be teaching young people how to be, and how to community organize, and how to work with people, and how to deal with one of the major issues in all of our lives, and that's emotional competency. How to know how you feel and other people feel, so you can think better, eat better, and live better. So anyway, the major part of the project is that we're going to start off with a survey, and the survey will have 4 different components. It'll have a public safety survey, a gardening survey, and participating in a buyers club. Our public safety, we'll be talking a lot about, do you have a, well, we're getting somebody to put together the survey, but it's going to be, talking about having a community watch and things like that, and how you feel at home. And then the other part will be, do you have a garden? Do you want to garden in your backyard? And then the next part is talking about a buyers club. And a buyers club is when people come together, they put their money together, they buy in bulk, they put it in smaller packages, and then redistribute it so everybody gets more for better, get more for less and better quality. So that's the major part. Then we'll have another survey that we'll be talking about how people feel connected, and then and along with that one would be, if they could change anything, what would they change? So we can begin to start to know the people, because this is a 5-year project that we're going to be hopefully staying in those neighborhoods for 5 years and really doing some community organizing. That's the major part of it. The program is called, like I said, Heaven's Garden, and we'll be working with the high school and the Conservation Corps. I'm also, I've been talking with them also about, working with us. And what our goal and objective is to put gardens, eventually, and then work with the gardens in that area for support, as far as to teach people how to do gardening, this, that, and the other. We'll see ourselves as basically a data collection. We have a program called a VAN program, and basically it has every household in this county in there. So we're going to be needing to, should we say, interface the VAN program with the, should we say, the community organizing project, because it'll be our database of how we'll be keeping everything. So we need all the categories set up a relationship or a communication process between the high schools in the 4 areas, and maybe some kind of digital marketing program, you know, to launch it. So let's see, anything else? Yeah, you know, any questions?
We'll actually wait for all of the questions to be gathered at the very end, and I'll make sure to email any questions we have for you. But that was honestly, that was great. That was a great summary. And yeah, I think that's all we need to know for tonight. But thank you so much for taking time out of your night to talk to us. And we're really looking forward to working with you.
Okay, yeah. So, okay, then, well, that's good. Well, I'm looking forward to hearing, you know, back from you. Like I said, we're going to be doing something extraordinary. So we're going to need some committed, you know, people, and data is everything because we are a total quality management organization. Have a beautiful day. Thank you guys for your time.
So thank you so much. Have a nice